Have you ever imagined yourself rocketing through space? Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets, because we're about to blast off on an exciting adventure through our very own solar system. Our journey will take us past planets big and small, some scorching hot and others freezing cold. We'll zip past moons, asteroids, and maybe even catch a glimpse of a comet's tail. Our solar system is like a giant cosmic neighborhood, and at its center is our very own star, the Sun. Around the Sun, 8 planets, including our home planet Earth, are constantly moving, spinning like tops while also orbiting the Sun. It's like a beautifully choreographed dance, with each planet following its own special path. Along the way, we'll meet some pretty amazing characters and discover incredible facts about each planet. For instance, did you know that Jupiter is so big that you could fit all the other planets inside it? Or that Saturn has rings made up of ice and rock that are wider than the Earth? So get ready for liftoff. Our adventure through the solar system is about to begin. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of space. First stop, the Sun. The Sun is a giant ball of burning gas that gives us light and heat. It's so big that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Wow, can you imagine that?
The Sun is like a powerful engine, and its gravity holds our entire solar system together. Without the Sun, our planet would be a cold, dark place. But don't worry, the Sun has been shining for billions of years, and it will keep shining for billions more. Did you know that the Sun is so bright that you should never look directly at it? It's much too bright for our eyes. But don't worry, we can still learn about the Sun by looking at it through special telescopes. Now that we've warmed up next to the Sun, it's time to head to our first planet, Mercury. Buckle up, space explorers.
Zooming closer to the Sun, we encounter Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. Don't let its size fool you. Mercury is a speedy little planet, zipping around the Sun faster than any other planet.
Because it's so close to the Sun, Mercury is incredibly hot during the day, reaching temperatures that could melt metal. But here's the surprising part. At night, Mercury gets incredibly cold, with temperatures plummeting far below freezing. Talk about extreme temperatures. Imagine a planet where you could bake a cake in the morning and freeze ice cream at night. That's Mercury for you. It's a planet of extremes, and its fast-paced orbit makes it a fascinating place to study. But hold on tight, space travelers, because we're off to our next destination, Venus.
Have you ever looked up at the night sky and spotted a bright, shining star? That just might be Venus, the second planet from the Sun and Earth's closest planetary neighbor. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's almost the same size as our planet. But don't let its beauty fool you. Venus is a scorching hot planet, even hotter than Mercury. Its thick atmosphere traps heat like a giant blanket, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Imagine a world where you could roast marshmallows on the surface. Venus is shrouded in thick clouds that hide its surface from view. These clouds reflect sunlight, making Venus shine brightly in our night sky. But it's time to say goodbye to Venus and head back home to our very own planet, Earth. Section 5. Earth, our blue oasis in space. There she is, our home sweet home, planet Earth. From space, Earth looks like a beautiful blue marble with swirling white clouds and vast oceans of water. It's the only planet in our solar system that we know for sure has life. Earth is teeming with life, from the tiniest insects to the largest whales. We have lush forests, towering mountains, and sparkling oceans. Our planet is a precious and unique place, and it's our responsibility to take care of it. What makes Earth so special? For one thing, we have just the right temperature for liquid water, which is essential for life as we know it. Our atmosphere protects us from harmful radiation from the Sun, and our planet's magnetic field shields us from dangerous solar winds. But our journey through the solar system must continue. Get ready to blast off to a planet that has fascinated humans for centuries, Mars. Section 6. Mars, the red planet beckons. Next stop, Mars, the red planet.
Someday humans might even travel to Mars and set foot on its rusty red surface. Mars is also home to 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are named after the horses that pulled the chariot of the Greek god of war, Ares. Imagine the possibilities if we could find liquid water on Mars. Though the surface is now dry and dusty, there's evidence that water still exists beneath the surface. Scientists believe that Mars may have once had rivers, lakes, and even oceans. It's home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons, which is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Mars is a dusty, rocky planet with a reddish hue, which is why it's called the Red Planet.
But for now, we must journey onward to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. Section 7. Jupiter, the giant king of planets. Get ready to be amazed because Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant so big that you could fit all the other planets inside it with room to spare.
Jupiter is like the king of the planets, with its swirling storms and giant red spot. Jupiter is a giant ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, and it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. It's covered in colorful stripes and swirling storms, including the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. Jupiter also has a faint ring system, made up of dust particles from its moons. And speaking of moons, Jupiter has a lot of them, over 75 at last count. Some of Jupiter's moons are even thought to have oceans of water beneath their icy surfaces.
But it's time to move on to another ringed wonder, Saturn. Prepare to be dazzled by Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, known for its spectacular rings. Saturn's rings are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains of dust to giant boulders. Imagine a giant cosmic frisbee made up of sparkling ice and rock. Saturn's rings are so large and bright that you can see them through a telescope from Earth. They're truly one of the most breathtaking sights in our solar system. Saturn is also a gas giant, like Jupiter, but it's much less dense. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would actually float in water. But don't let its lightweight fool you. Saturn is still a massive planet with powerful storms and a fascinating collection of moons. But our journey through the solar system isn't over yet. Hold on tight, space travelers, because Uranus is a planet that likes to do things differently. Uranus is an ice giant, and it spins on its side like a rolling ball. Imagine that. Scientists believe that a giant collision long ago may have knocked Uranus onto its side. Uranus is also unique because it's the coldest planet in our solar system, even colder than Neptune, which is farther from the Sun. Its atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which gives Uranus its pale blue-green color. Uranus also has a system of faint rings, although they're not as spectacular as Saturn's, and it has a collection of moons with names inspired by the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. But our journey through the solar system is coming to an end, and we have one last planet to visit, Neptune. Last but not least, we arrive at Neptune, the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is a cold, dark world, but it's far from boring.
Neptune is known for its powerful winds, which can reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. Imagine a hurricane that could circle the Earth in just over 5 hours. Neptune's atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which gives it its deep blue color. Like Uranus, Neptune also has a system of faint rings, although they're very difficult to see. Neptune has a collection of 14 moons, the largest of which, Triton, is covered in nitrogen ice volcanoes that erupt like geysers, spewing nitrogen gas and dust high into the atmosphere.
As we complete our grand tour of the solar system, let's head back to Earth, our home planet, and ponder the wonders we've seen. As we return to Earth after our incredible journey through the solar system, we can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. We've seen giant planets, sparkling rings, and fiery stars. We've learned about scorching temperatures, freezing colds, and powerful storms that could swallow our entire planet. But our adventure doesn't end here. The universe is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be explored. Every star we see in the night sky could have its own solar system, with planets, moons, and maybe even life. So keep looking up at the stars, asking questions, and never stop exploring. The universe is your playground, and there's always something new to discover. Who knows what amazing wonders await us out there in the vast expanse of space? The sky is not the limit when there are footprints on the moon. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep exploring.